So here we are again, friends, subscribers, people who watch YouTube random videos, whatever. Here at Denver, going to Boston Logan International Airport. Should be pretty good flight, I'm guessing. It's like totally clear today. Some really high clouds, but nothing crazy. Honestly, my biggest complaint about parking in the cheaper parking lot outside where there is no cover, it's just so hard to find a parking spot. And just like that, we're here. It's the beauty of all TSA pre over here. There's hardly any wait time now. Made it through security. That took like a total of 1 minute or something. It was ridiculous. Ridiculously awesome, that is. These windows are always dirty. Wow, there's only one flight to Boston on here? Let's check that out. Boston. B31. 10:07 is when we depart. It's on time. Right there. There's B31. There's another one right by it. No, this is a little different airplane though. But it's all the old paint job. I had to sneak behind this area to go get it. Window. There you go. Thank you. Getting on the plane. Hey Cam, hey Mason. I got a way to go. People singing that. Even if you're worse, I got stuck. Let's see if I was right. Oh yeah. I don't think this is not economy plus like I normally get. But we are right by the engine. You want a view of the engine on a flight? This is your flight. So I saw this guy, he was working out, he was lifting up the things they put around the wheels to keep the plane in place, and he was just lifting them up, working out, and I thought it was hilarious. By the time I got my camera out, I missed it, so I'm sorry.
They're all up for over time.
Look how jumpy this is. You're pressing down the whole time. It's the water it puts out. What a joke. Okay. This is it. You just go right on here. A lot of red. Sea of red.
Like you hold the button and then like all of a sudden.
So depending on what baggage you have, you go that direction. We don't have any baggage to my knowledge. I'm with a colleague. There's nothing that continues to tell us where the ride sharing is. This is what I'm talking about. Some of these airports, they have stuff up. They tell you all of a sudden one way to go, and then it drops off. It doesn't. So now it says ride app, but that's not what we're looking for. I think we need to go all the way down here. That's my guess, but I don't know. I haven't seen anything in a while. Still trying to get our Uber. Hey, if you like this video, really quick, be sure to hit like and then hit subscribe if you're not following my channel, so you can see more random travel videos like this in the future. Hopefully you like this one, and that a lot of clouds landing here in Boston. So we're waiting for our Toyota Highlander. He's somewhere over here. Just to note, I didn't book this, he booked it, so I don't know what the app said, so I'm just kind of like following him. It could be very clear. We might need to be upstairs, I don't know. But right there it says accessible only, like on the sign. Like your wheelchair accessible only for those things. And we're not in a wheelchair, so kind of confused. So that sign says we have to go up here. So now we go up. Still going to our left, our Uber. Can't even walk on that. We're really we're going to a different terminal. It wants us to take this elevator, not any of the other three. We finally found it. Now let's see if our Uber waited 10 minutes for us to make that little journey. Found our Uber. Alright, just got to my room. Let's turn on some lights. Very small bathroom, but no problems with that. Let's see what our view is like. Oh, you can open up these windows apparently. There's screens on them. It's hard to see that view through there, but see if this one's any better. No, really. All right. Well, I'm here in Boston. Thanks for watching. Like I said, make sure you hit like if you like the video, and hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks so much for watching it to this point. So take flight.